Today we're taking a look at a shave cream. This here is Taylor of Old Bond Street. It comes in a hefty 5.3 ounce plastic container with a about half turn screw lid. On the bottom you will find a little peel sticker here that opens like a book so that you can see all the ingredients as well as the very simple directions. The scent of the shave cream is very plainly marked on the lid as a sandalwood. And let me tell you that I do not need to do a little sniff test like I normally do to know that this is definitely a sandalwood, and it is a fairly strong scent as well. Now as we go into the ingredients here, we're going to pull back that little flap as I mentioned earlier, and you will see as I show here on screen, the ingredients list is fairly long as well as has quite a few scientific names in there. Now they are nice and they do, translate a couple of them where they were able to, which really helps out on knowing what is what in this list. Now as I looked over the ingredients list, I didn't see anything that flew up any red flags or really anything that I haven't seen personally in any of the other ingredients list on products that I have reviewed in the past. That being said, everybody has their own discretion of what they are willing to put on their skin and what they're not, so here it is for you guys. My experience of using the Taylor of Old Bond Street shave cream was a fairly decent one. I found that it takes a very little agitation to get enough shave cream on your brush to really be able to fill out the entire face. I also found that if you spend just a little bit of a time agitating this shave cream, that you can actually get a little bit of lather out of it. Now it is a cream and not a soap, so you're not going to be able to probably get a really big, thick lather out of it, but you will be able to get a little bit of lather on the brush and on your face by using it. Now if you want to forgo using a shave brush, you absolutely can do that with this, as it does pull out of the container fairly easily. You can get a nice little chunk in there and rub your hands together and apply it that way, and you'll have plenty on your skin to get a nice clean shave. One of the big things about this soap, if you have an extremely sensitive nose or you get migraines like I do from really strong scents, this may not be the shave soap for you, unfortunately, because it is a fairly strong scent, and not just when you are actively using it. It will act as a room deodorizer wherever you put this stuff. And believe me, I was really surprised that even after letting it set like this open for a few days, it was still giving off quite a bit of a scent, even without agitating it or using it at all. It's so strong, in fact, that my birth dad, who I live with, was like, hey, you can leave that room deodorizer in the bathroom as it really smells good. And well, that was about 2 days after I had used this stuff. So yeah, it is a very strong scented shave cream. However, it is a very nice scent, being that it is a sandalwood scent. And honestly, you may just want to get it just to use it as a room deodorizer if you really like sandalwood. As far as the shave actually went, it applies very nicely, and I did not find that it was overly slick or a too dry of a shave cream. It was a pleasure to shave with it, and it didn't really matter what direction I shaved in with my double-edge razor there. It just seemed like it did the job very well of lifting up those hairs so that the razor could get everything that it needed to. That being said, who do I think this is for? Well, if you like sandalwood and you like stronger scented products, definitely try this one out. If you're looking for a softer shave soap that you don't have to really work all that much to get a good covering for a shave, you should definitely try this out. Now, how does this come in compared to some of the other products that I have reviewed? Well, unfortunately, it does come in at a little bit higher price at about $20 for the 5.2 ounce container, which to me, really, it makes sense. A lot of those shave soaps that you get are 1 or 2 ounces for about $12 to $15. So I do think this is well worth that, and I've been using it for about 2 months now, and I still got quite a bit in there. So of course, as always, if you are interested in picking yourself up some of the Taylor of Old Bond Street shave soap, make sure to check out that link in the video description. And if you're interested in seeing more shave soap reviews, check out this playlist right up here. Down below, that's going to be a video that you may enjoy as well. Until next time, as always, you have a good one. Little agitation of the soap